I hope you are doing great. So class, today is 3rd of May 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine. So yesterday class we studied about the concept of long division. Isn't class? Okay. So we have page number 15. And I have an example which is 2084 and 39 is divisor. 2084 is dividend and 39 is divisor. Okay? So class, according to this, what would we do in first step? Who will tell me? Very good. We will divide simply 39. We will read the table of 39 and to make the number which is nearest to this, if you look, if we will take one number. अगर हम one number लेते हैं, so which is not divisible by 39 because it is smaller than 39. If we will take 2 digit, still we have smaller than 39. So we will take 208, 3 digit number. Okay. Now I will read 39 2 times, 9 2 times 18, 1 carry, 3 2 times 6 and 7. It is too smaller. 3 times कर लेते हैं. 9 7 times 3 9 times 27, 2 carry, 3 3 times 9 and 11. Still it is smaller. 4 9 times 36, 3 carry, 4 3 times 12 and 12 plus 3 is 15. Still it is smaller. 5 9 times 45, 4 carry, 5 3 times 15 and 15 में 4 ऐड करेंगे so we get 19. 195. ओके, अब हम 6 से भी करके देख लेते हैं. 6 9 times 54, 5 carry, 6 3 times 18, 18 में 5 ऐड करेंगे so we get 23. So 234 is greater than 208. So we will take 195, which is 5 times 195. Okay class? Very good. Now who will tell me what is the next step of this question? Very good. We will subtract. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है हमारा? सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं हम डिवीजन में. Isn't class? Now I will start from this side. So from this side I have 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay? Now next number which is 0 minus 9. So is it possible? No. So we will take carry and this number will become 2 digit number. Now 10 minus 9. Very good. 10 minus 9 is 1. And Should we cut 4 from 7? क्या हम 4 में से 7 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं? No. So we will take carry from the next number and this number will become 2 digit. Now 14 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 we have and we will cut 7 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the end we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in total. यहाँ पे क्या हमारे पास बच गए 2. So 2 minus 1 which is 1. जब हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 2 में से 1 को, so we have 1 in the end. Isn't class? Okay. So should it divisible more by 13 or no? No, because if you look in dividend we have 17 and divisor it is 39. Okay. So we will stop here because 17 is not divisible by 13. It is smaller than divisor. So we will stop here. So we can write this 39 remainder 17. This is your answer. 39 remainder 13. This is your dividend which is inside the division. This is your divisor जिससे हम क्या करते हैं, divide करते हैं. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. Okay, so we will write your answer in this form, 39 remainder 17. So class, this is all which is related to previous lesson. Now today we have question number 8 which is long division. Page number 15, question number 8. Write in long division. Write in long division form and divide. Okay. So we have part A. 4618 divided by 29. So who will tell me which is dividend in this and which is divisor? Yes, Sadim, you tell me. Very good. This is dividend जिसको हम divide कर रहे होते हैं और जिससे कर रहे होते हैं which is your divisor. So I will write 4618 inside the division and 29 is outside the division. Now if I take one digit number, no, because 4 is smaller than 29, so I will take 2 digit number. Find which is 46. Now I will multiply by 2 to make the nearest number. 2 9 times 18. 2 2 times 4 and 1 add करेंगे, so we get 58. So 58 is greater than 46. So I will write 1 times 29. Find class. 1 times 29. Now, what is the next step of division? क्या करते हैं हम? Subtract. We will subtract. So 6 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 6 from 9? No. So that's why we will take carry from the next number. This will make 2-digit number which is 16. अब 16 में से हमने 9 को subtract करना है. So 16 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We will subtract 9 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay? Now, यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या बच गया था 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So class, if you look, we have in dividend is 17 and in divisor we have 29. Now dividend is smaller than a divisor, so we will bring down 1. Okay, this 1 will be bring down here. Now 29 5 times 5 9 times is 45. 4 यहाँ कैरी हो जाएगा. 5 2 times 10 and 10 plus 4 is 14. 6 times करके देखते हैं. It is still smaller than 171. 6 9 times 54. 5 carry. 6 2 times 12 and 12 plus 5 is 17. So 174 is greater than 145. So I will write 5 times 145. Okay? Now the second step of division is to subtract. क्या होता है हमारे पास division में हम क्या करते हैं? Subtraction. Okay? Now, is it possible to subtract 1 from 5? No. So we will take 1 from this number. So 11 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we will subtract 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the end we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. Now in this next step we will subtract 6 from 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay class, 6 minus 4 is 2. Now if you look, this is a 2-digit number in the dividend which is smaller than divisor. अब 26 जो है वो हमारे पास क्या है? छोटा है 29 से. So we will bring down 8 there. Okay? और उससे क्या होगा? वो 3-digit नंबर बन जाएगा. So we will bring down this 8 here. Fine class? Okay. Now we will read the table of 29. अब हमने कहाँ तक किया था? 6 times तो किया था which is 174. 7 times करके देख लेते हैं. 7 9 times 63. 6 carry. 7 2 times 14 and 14 में जब 6 ऐड करेंगे we get 20. 203 which is quite nearer to 268. Now we will do with 8. 8 9 times 72. 8 2 times 16 and 16 में हम 7 ऐड करेंगे. 13 and 23. So we have 23. 232. अब ये भी इसके नियरर है. एक दफा और हम अब 9 से भी करके देख लेते हैं. 9 9 times 81. 9 2 times 18. 18 में 81 8 कैरी, 9 2 टाइम्स 18, 18 में 8 ऐड करेंगे हम, 26 261. Okay, so we will write 261 here. Now 8 minus 1, we will subtract 8 minus 1 which is 7 in the end. Okay class, so we will stop here. हम इसको यहाँ पर ही stop कर देंगे because there is no any number in dividend. अब हमारे पास और कोई नंबर नहीं है ना डिविडेंड में, so we will stop here and we will and if you look we have 7 in the end which is in dividend and divisor in 29. So 7 is smaller than 29, so we will stop here and we can write this into 159 remainder 7. 159 remainder 7. So this is the way to write. Okay. So this is all which is related to question number 8. Now question number 9. Question number 9 and the statement is divide the following. Dividend is 399 and divisor is 17. So we will write 399 inside the division. हमें पता है कि जो inside the division में term आती है is known as dividend and we will write 17 outside the division. Now we will take two digit number 17 2 times करके देखते हैं कि 39 के नियरेस्ट है कि नहीं. 2 7 times 14 1 carry, 2 1 times 2 and 1 add करेंगे so we get 34. So 17 2 times 34. Okay. The next step of division is to subtract. हमने क्या करना है इसमें से subtract करना है. So 9 minus 5 is 9 minus 4 is 5. Now if you look class, this 5 is smaller than 17. So I will bring this number down here. Okay. Now 17 3 times 7 3 times 21 to carry 3 1 times 3 3 1 times 3 and 4 5 51. 17 को अब हम 4 से चेक कर लेते हैं. 4 7 times 28 and ये 68. क्या हो जाएगा? ये 68 हो जाएगा. So what would we do? अब हम क्या करेंगे? Should we take 17 3 times which is equals to 51? ले सकते हैं हम क्या? Very good. So we will write 3 times 51. Okay. So we will cut 9 from 1. 9 में से जब हमने 1 को subtract किया we have 8 in the end. So class, if you look 8 in the end which is in dividend. So dividend is smaller than divisor. Dividend क्या है? Smaller than divisor. So we will stop here. Now we will write 23 which is known as quotient. This is dividend. This is remainder. And this is divisor. So 23 remainder 8. 23 remainder 8. So this is the way to write your answer. Okay. Okay class? So this is all which is related to question number 9. You have to solve question number 8 and question number 9 all parts in your notebook. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.